Hey guys, this is Uzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about, do you have a right time for anything to be done? No, nothing is right time. You have to make the time right. Yesterday I wrote a book, a practical guide to become your greatest version. And it contains about 90 pages. I have published both Kindle version and paperback version. In my mind, I was having this thought to publish this book, and I have written this book around 1 month ago. But some revision, some changes needs to be made, and so I have made all those changes, and after that I have published that book. So it is all about planning. It is all about doing now, making that thing happen, acting right now, acting at this time, at this moment, taking the decision. We always procrastinate. We always think that we will do some other time. We will do this thing some other good time. But there is no good time. We have to make time good. We have to change the circumstances. We have to make ourselves capable to do that thing. In my mind, I am having certain other things also, such as making short film and all that. There are a lot of plans going on in my mind, and I am planning that. Right, I am trying to implement that in my life, right, chasing my goal each and every day, writing it down on paper that I need to make a short film, and universe helps me when I do this. And when you write something, when you are having something in mind and you write, your chances of doing that goal becomes twice as compared to here, because you are involving both the things, your left mind as well as right mind, conscious mind as well as subconscious mind. When you are thinking and when you are writing, thinking comes left part of brain and writing comes right part of brain. There is a subconscious mind, so both comes into effect. So whatever you want to accomplish, I would like you to do that by writing it down, each and every step, writing it down in deep, expressing all the things about that particular goal. It will help you to reach your goal, just as I have achieved this goal of writing so many books. All my books are available on Amazon. If you are in any part of your country, you can just go to Amazon site and type my name, Uzaifa Surti. You will see all the list of books which I have written. And I have written for the motto of what I have learned, what knowledge I am having, and how can I improve people's life, how can I help people. In that way, with that motto, with that mission, I have written all these books. And in future also I will be writing more and more books, making more and more videos, and making a short film, a self-improvement, a self-help movie. It is in my mind. The idea is in my mind, and I will be implementing that soon. So now is the time to do. Now is the correct time. Take the decision right now. Be a producer, be a creator, build your legacy, build your community. That's what must be your life about. Life is a one-time opportunity. You must not waste it. So when I wake up in the morning, what do you think? Is it necessary? I mean, I'm making these videos. Why I'm making these videos? Is it fruitful to me? Will it help me? No. My motto is different. My motto is to build legacy, to build community, to help people, to motivate people, to inspire people to become the greatest version, and to share my knowledge, my insights, my ideas that I am having. Because when you know something, then it is necessary for you to share. If you don't share, then knowledge not use this garbage. I repeat, knowledge not use this garbage. So if you are expert, or if you are having knowledge in any kind, then it is mandatory for you to share that thing to the world, to share your message, to make an impact out in the world, to build your own identity. I don't want to be called by my father's name, that this is the son of this Naib Ali Surti or any kind. But I want my identity, my own identity. People will be knowing me by my name. This is Uzaifa Surti. This is the person who started this YouTube channel. This is the person who is writing books. This is the person who is making short film and who is making impact in this world. That's what I want. That is our motto. That must be our mission. That must be our main priority in your life. Are you having any kind of goals? If yes, then mention down in the comments. I would like to know. And are you in tune with me? Are your vibration and frequency along with me? If yes, then do hit the like button, because we are all kindred spirits. We have the same passion, same power, same imagination, same thought process, same ideas. So if I am motivating, or if I am bringing an impact only to a single person, I will be very much helpful. It will be very much helpful for me that I am making an impact to any damn one person in this entire world. I'm not bothered about million of subscribers, million of followers and all the other shit. I am bothered about my pure followers, the real followers, the one who are waiting for my videos, the one who motivate me, who inspire me, who like my videos, who share my videos, right? And when you do something, when you are reason for someone's smile, for someone's happiness, then God will help you to become happy. Universe will help you out. Remember, universe is abundant. Before I was not having so many dreams. Before I was also lacking. But somehow I believe in myself. I keep doing the stuff. I'm not stopping right now also. I don't bother whether I'm getting views, likes, subscribers. I don't bother at all. I bother about my content, my viewers, my message. How am I impacting? How am I delivering my message? That is what about. So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional beings having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.